Hi guys, my name is Mahesh and I started this YouTube channel in order to showcase how I am buying and selling stocks based on our own data. Every week I will review my own account, which you can see here, and you will see how my portfolio is doing, how I am making the decisions, whether I need to rebalance anything, and I will share my thoughts on if I'm getting into any position, how I am making that decision, if I am trying to sell, why I'm selling it. So all of that I'll try to cover in these videos. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will be adding a lot more videos in future. So one thing I want to add, in few minutes here I will show you the data that I have been talking about, and I want to show that data, how I use it. And in fact, our company has decided to offer this data, open up this data for self-directed investors like you and me, and making this available as part of our free pilot for now, which we will be starting in few weeks. So if you are interested in that pilot, please reach out to me. Either you can leave a comment here, or you can connect me with on LinkedIn. Let me know so I can send you the sign up URL when it's available, and it's a free pilot, so do not miss on it. Why I'm doing this? My goal is simple. If I am asking you to trust our data, then I should be using it as well as a co-founder of the company. So that is my goal. So let's quickly dive into where I am at this week. So in my last video, I talked about Lending Tree. I got into Lending Tree around December 7th at $145. Sold it at $170, which I showed you in my last video. This video, you can see here that right now I am in Best Buy, Salesforce, HRB, HNR, Block, REGN, Splunk. So these are some of the stocks that I bought around mid-December, few days up and down. My holding period till now for these particular stocks is close to 3 weeks. And why it is very important, because as you can see, I am not day trading. I am not buying something, selling on the same day, or I'm not buying something, selling in few days. Why that is important? Because I have a day job. I run a company, and I do not have time to sit here and check the price chart all day. And so that is very, very important, and that is why we have built this software, and that is why I'm very, very excited to give it to you guys actually. So as you can see, let me draw something here. So if you can see, my base, my cost basis, in fact, for example, Splunk is close to $160. REGN is $497, HNR Block $15.15, CRM close to $222, Best Buy $103. What our data tells you is a good time to buy a particular stock. I call it as a buy zone. The price that I get into, at least, doesn't mean that the stock will not go below that price. You may see small pullbacks, which you can see here. I am seeing as well. But the good thing is, those stocks, those price points, they have tendency to pull back in the other direction, which I am seeing right now. I was in Best Buy for almost between $100 to $103 for almost week and a half, 2 weeks. I mean, personally I was getting nervous, but now it has started to go back up, which I knew will happen. And right now it's hovering around $114. Whether I will sell it or not, I will make my decision by looking here. This is what I am seeing right now. Two things to focus here is this yellow oscillator, which is our own internal way of measuring that directionality where the price is headed, where we think that the overall trajectory movement gonna go. So two things, when it is going from up to down, in my mind I think that point as a point where I can either take some profits or cash out. When it is going from down to up, I take that as something where I want to get into a position. Also, few things are very very important. These heat maps, blue zone, in my mind I call them selling zones. Means if it is blue, darker blue, then I should think about taking some profits or reducing my position. And these red zones, again, if I am interested in certain stocks, then I should be buying around these zones. So these are very very important. The chart that you see behind is just a price chart, daily close price for Best Buy. Similarly, the chart for HNR block that you can see, I got in around $15.15. It's kind of headed up, which is a good thing, and I'm going to hold off selling for now. I'm just going to watch this data every day, and if I see that it's getting into that blue zone or the oscillator, the yellow line, it's started to flatten up on the top and started to change direction, I may sell it. So you guys will know as soon as I sell it. Few things I want to mention. Markets are going to give you what markets are going to give you. You cannot extract more or less. So if I am telling you that by using this data I'm gonna be making more money, or no, it's just all about what time at what dollar amount I get into a particular stock, and if it is going up I'm gonna make money, if it is not, I'm not gonna make money. Another thing I want to share is, if I exit a position, I don't think about it personally. For example, there are some stocks which I may take some profit, but after that I see that they are still going up. That's fine. I'm going to forget about those stocks, because thinking about them not gonna make me any money. So I just move on to the next stock, do my research. By the way, whenever I do my research, I use this data, plus I also use fundamentals data. Look at just some red flags. Is there any concerning news for that particular company? Look at the financial health, whether the company is healthy or not, making profits, making money, what other analysts are saying about that, all of that. So it's not just I'm using this data, I'm spending probably good 30 minutes when I'm making these decisions, and for rest of the days I'm just looking at our data for maybe a few minutes every day and just forget about it all day and just do my work. So which is good. I mean, I don't have to stress out, worry about small pullbacks, etc. So again guys, thank you for watching my videos. I will be adding a lot more videos in future, so please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in participating in this free pilot where you can get access to our data, please like, please comment, connect me with on LinkedIn, send me a message, and as a co-founder I'm here to answer your questions. So I'm not gonna send it to some our support team or customer support. I am for now I am the customer support here, so I want to make sure that I can answer your questions and provide any help I can related to our software. So thank you again, and I'll see you next time.